What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get the restricted API keys in Stripe. So firstly, go to Stripe and log into your account. On the dashboard, on the left menu, click Developers. Select API keys and here you'll see the standard API keys, published key, secret key. To view your secret key, click Reveal Live Key Token. Now in the left menu, click View Test Data. You'll now see the sandbox keys for testing payments without changing or charging real cards. Switch back to live mode to see keys for real payments. Now scroll down to Restricted Keys section, click Create Restricted Key and assign permissions for the key depending on what it needs to access. Give the key a name for easy identification, then click Create Key. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.